Alright guys, so Samsung is officially rolling out the Android 10 update for the Galaxy A10s. This phone came last year in August and now it's getting its first Android update from Samsung, which is cool. So the update is rolling out on this build number, as you guys can see on the screen, and I don't have the screenshot of the update, but the update size would be around 1.5 or 2 gigs. And as for the security patch level, so it's March 2020. So what's new in the update? Well, you'll be getting all the new navigation gestures. Just swipe up from the bottom to get back to your home screen, a new improved version of the dark mode, and some new privacy and location improvements, and all other Android 10 features that any other Android 10 update has. So on top of this, there will be a new enhanced version of the One UI, which is now the One UI 2.0. And the new version of the One UI 2.0, it's so smooth and it's more user friendly. As for the rollout, so the update is currently rolling out in Malaysia, and soon it will start rolling out to your country as well, as the update is now officially out by Samsung. And I think your A10s will receive the Android 10 update notification in the mid of April or in the last week of April, but who knows, you may get the update earlier because Android updates always depends upon your phone variant number and the region in which you are living. But don't worry, it won't be in May. So yeah, the update is official and soon your A10s will be running on the Android 10. And that's it from my side. You can subscribe to my channel for more further and future updates. Comment what you guys think about it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.